Hey, so I'm just out here with the dogs, and I've got a couple of breaker switches that I've done already. Got a bunch of video recorded of it, but there's really no context or anything. Anyways, I'm gonna also after the scrap out, I'm just gonna ask you some questions. So this is something I've been meaning to do for a week now, but you know me, procrastinate. Anyhow, here's the scrap out, and if you feel like sticking around and answering questions later, I'd appreciate it. Bye. Okay, so this, I don't even know where it came from. I think it might have been in like one of the auction boxes, but it was, I think this was in a box that was full of snow. So, yeah, I figured I'd take this apart and see what we get out of it. And this is opened up. I will, well, we know that we're getting copper out of at least the wire. I'm sure there's other stuff in here. Once I get it apart, we'll have a look and see what we got. Okay, so this is a Square D safety switch, this one. I got the two apart now, and this one, I don't know, enclosed switch. Doesn't really say much. Oh, I see over here. It's a 30 amp. Oh, I guess you can see the 30 amp on there. And got this one off of the wood. Got some screws. And yeah, I'll get these wires all unhooked and get this thing out of here. Boo. Oh well, it'll match up to the one I did earlier. The scrap gods better be nice to me. Okay, so we got the switches out, but so this thing, that's all, oh, let me get focus there. This is all magnetic. Oh, I guess I should have checked in here. Oh, the screw's magnetic. That's not. Yeah, so that's brass. That's not. So I'll pull that thing out just because I don't know what's all in there, but there is that little bit of brass, so there might be more. Other than that, that's all shred. That one's shred. Yeah. Now we'll get into this beauty stuff over here. Hopefully that's beauty stuff, but anyways, at least I got some copper and stuff out of the wire. Okay, I used the scrap it all trick of putting the cloth over so I didn't make a huge mess. Anyways, that's what I got that was not shred out of the stuff there. So a little bit of copper at those silver contacts. They actually look like they wouldn't be too hard to pop off of there. But yeah, I'll just save that stuff. And we'll move on. Yeah, so that's the garbage out of there. There is some sort of a grommet in that, but I'm not smashing that all apart to get it. I think it's steel. Well, let's see. Even if it's not, but yeah, that's steel. So, yeah, so that's garbage. These are copper, but these are steel, like that little rivet through there. And that's copper, like number 2, but still, it's copper. So that's not too bad. I got 3 of each of those. And then these are aluminum, and the rest is all just steel bolts, nuts. Well, I'll save those because I do. So that was out of that switch. Let's get the other one open. So I took all the screws I could see there out. These are all loose, but I gotta get this off. Oh, I see. I'll have to turn those. Okay, yeah, I'll turn those because I can see screws in there. But once I get that top popped off, there's probably a screw in here too, I'm thinking. Come on, get a, oh yeah, a couple of bolts. All right, I'll be back. Okay, I got the top part off. This is all shred. Or actually, I guess, I don't know, it's shred. Now, take this thing out. I just got thinking I should check all this stuff. No, that's steel. Steel. Oh wait, the screw is steel. Screw steel, that's aluminum. I don't know. I'll get this thing off and see what's inside, but that's not looking promising. Okay, so I got that one apart. This is actually looking promising. Yeah, oh. That looks like brass. Oh. But that inside part looks like copper. That's steel. But I think that won't be hard to pop that stuff out. Yeah, these are yellow brass. All of the screws and everything are shred. Oh, that's copper too. Nice. So I just gotta pull those apart and oh, let's see what these are. Yeah, those are steel. But that's all right. That was fun to pull apart. I've actually never taken one of these apart because I always thought, oh, they might still be good. So I got a whole bunch of them, but these ones were laying in the snow, and I thought, well, they've been sitting out there for who knows how long. I'll take them apart. But anyways, I don't have a scale here, but I am going to pull all this stuff apart and get, clean her up and take it home with me. Well, that was a good use of my lunch. It took 25 minutes to get these all apart. Oh yeah, and I still have all the wire too, so all those little fittings. I keep all of these because they're actually quite a bit of money if you have to go buy one of these. They're like $7 or $8, I think. So I hang on to them all, and lots of times Ed needs them or somebody comes by and needs something, so might as well keep it. They're not worth much for scrap. Yeah, so these are not brass. They're copper, but they're, I don't know. You guys tell me, is that like a silver coated copper? Or is that what, tin coated copper? I don't know. They're good chunky pieces though, so that'll add to the weight. I guess there was more in there than I expected. Hey, thanks for sticking around if you did. What I wanted to talk to you guys about is, like, I've been kind of back and forth with myself, mostly, about how to improve the channel, other than, like, better content. Hey, don't get your hopes up. But, like, what are things that wouldn't bother you if I did? Like, say, some people stop partway through a video and they ask, if you could please share the content or, and I don't expect that. I really, I don't think that my content is that great that you need to be sharing it with everybody, unless you did know somebody who, might find me entertaining. Or the dogs, I'm not above using dogs to further my cause. But anyways, I've been like thinking about trying a little harder to get monetized. So in order, like, I've watched all of the so-called gurus, and they say that, you have to do all of there's a formula, and I'm not much for formulas, and I'm also not much for pandering. So what wouldn't you think is obnoxious or irritating. A way to kind of, in the videos, maybe at the start, the middle, the end, say, thank you for watching the video. If you liked it, whatever, share it with your friends, leave a comment. I'm really not worried about the comments. I get a lot of comments for the amount of views I get. I'm very happy with how you guys all interact with me. It's that was her having a pee. It's one of my favorite things about YouTube. Probably my favorite thing is just having people that I consider friends, or soon to be friends, leave me comments and having a little back and forth and whatever. So to me, I don't have a problem with that, but the subscribers don't go up a lot. Shorts, I know every time I do shorts, some shorts I've gotten 40, 50 subscribers with, and I don't know if those subscribers stick around. I have no idea, but would you guys like to see shorts? I see a lot of people cut shorts out of a video. I guess I could do that. I don't know what parts of videos I should be cutting out, but I always thought, like, for shorts, I would just make content that really didn't need much time, so that would be a short. I've been doing the music videos, or I haven't been doing the videos, but I've still got a bunch I want to do. And did anybody even like those? I'll put some links to the other ones down here in the bottom. You can check them out if you haven't seen them. But I've been doing a lot as I'm driving. I do a lot of song changing, so I don't know who was even interested in that kind of stuff. Anyways, everybody, I really appreciate you guys sticking it out with me. I haven't been feeling that great lately, so it's been a lot of just taking the dogs out for walks and trying to wrap my head around everything. It's coming along though. It's I have a lot of positive feelings, so anyhow, I'll just keep blathering on here. So just let me know, like, if there's something you really like, or there's something that I do that you think is turning people off other than my personality. Let me know. And other than that, I just want to say I appreciate you all, and I'm looking forward to getting monetized eventually. Next year, maybe the year after. Either way, take care, everybody. Thanks a lot. Bye-bye.